to Flip or Flop unboxing, where we unbox mystery boxes to see if it was worth flipping or was it a big flop. I'm Jeanette. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, and some other ones. Put my link up here if you want to check out my store. So I got an email from HELPSY source, and all I saw was 40 items for $60. And I was like, whoa, I'm there. Because anybody that knows me knows I love a deal. So I clicked on it, and it was Lands End secondhand clothing. 40 items for $60. And I'm like, you can't beat that. So no coupon code worked. And so it was $60, but I did get $2.10 off from my shop pay app. So I ended up paying $57.90, which makes it $1.45 a piece. I don't know. But it also said that like you can expect maybe 15% of it like a flaw rate. So that means it could be stained, holes, pilling, all that stuff. So I don't know. But I figured for $1.45 piece, I don't know. And I've sold Lands End a little bit, not much, but I don't know. So it could be a big flop. I could get a lot of damaged goods. I don't know. Let's open it up. All right. Come on. Woo! Lots of pink. Package list 40. Okay. Let's get a sneak peek. This box is big. Okay. Gonna knock it all over. Okay, let's see. Got some nice stuff, it looks like. Hopefully they're not too damaged. First, whoa. I guess it is a robe. I thought, let's see. Pink robe, medium 10-12 zip up robe. And it's hooded. I'm going to try to get through them quickly. But it does not look like it had a belt. I don't know, I don't see anything wrong with it. Cute. Okay. Ooh. Oh, new tags. No way. Lands End small puffer. Let's see if there's anything wrong with it. Puffer vest. Down vest too. Retailed for $49. Do you see anything? I don't see anything. It's kind of like a cream white. Okay. Nice. We got, ooh, a nice summer shirt, size small. The gingham. Let's see if it's cotton. Let's see. Doesn't say. Sure it does somewhere. 100%. What? I don't know. It's 100% something. It feels like cotton. I don't know. It started with a B. If anyone knows what that is, that starts with a B. I don't know. There's barcode there. I don't know if that has to do with... Okay. Ooh. Got Lands End extra large. Kind of a blue cardigan. Button cardigan. It's kind of like an eyelet. Cute, cute, cute. And I don't see anything wrong with it. Try to go quicker. Lands End size medium, 3/4 solid tunic, 3/4 sleeve. That's what I meant to say. Size medium tall, 10-12. Another purple Oh, this one's different color purple. Lands End Outfitters, size small. I've never heard of that. Do they have outfitters? Size small. Never heard of outfitters. I wonder where that's sold. They don't have Lands End near me, I don't think. Size small. Kind of like a... just a long sleeve tee. Let's get to the good stuff. Ooh, what are you? Feels nice. Size medium. Kind of like a velvety pattern on it. It's not open, so it's just a shirt. I thought maybe it was like a blazer. It's really thick. Very thick material. Nice. Alright, what else do we got? Whoa. Size 3X. Animal print. Tunic. It's like the brown 3/4 sleeve. Cute. Everything seems to be, so far, in pretty good condition. I'm gonna knock on wood somewhere. Got a sweater. 3X. Sweater. Cute. Long sleeve. Nice pattern. Very nice. Seems to be in good condition. This is another long sleeve tee, I think. Ooh, where are you? Which way do you go? Okay, maybe it's not a long sleeve tee. What are you? Oh, it's like a... Ah, there we go. Okay, we got this. Alright, it is a size small, and it is a cardigan. Not hooded, but the big arm. I don't know if you can see that. See a little fuzz on it. It's alright. Just an open cardigan. And it's a navy. Okay, we got a size 12. Like a floral shirt. I guess it's like, yeah, I guess it's a button-up, but it almost feels like a soft t-shirt material. But it's a button-up. Nice. Oh, we got some shorts. If they look men's, let me see. They are size 12. They are not men's. Size 12 Bermuda shorts. Perfect. Nice. They're a little bit faded, but they're navy. And we've got some skirt. Yeah, navy skirts. A lot of navy. Extra large, 18-20. It's almost like a jersey t-shirt material skirt, but it's pretty thick. Oh, no. It's really thick. They do make good quality clothes. And we got another extra small long sleeve t-shirt. I'll try to get through them quicker. And we have an extra small long sleeve t-shirt, but in black, and it has a little, oh, it's candy corn, I think. Is that candy corn? I don't know, it looks like it on the back. Yeah. I guess, I don't know. Good for Halloween. And, ooh, looks like a t-shirt dress. We are a size medium. Cute t-shirt dress with the tab sleeves, short sleeves. Nice t-shirt dress. Green. Nice. I mean, I'm going through them quickly. I haven't seen anything significant in the floor department. Got another dress, extra small. Cute, cute, cute. Little wrap front dress. That is cute. Seems big for an extra small. I don't know. I mean, close to an extra small, but I don't know. It's like a jersey material too on this one. Okay. Everything's folded too. What do we got? Now I'm messing it all up. Extra large button collared or whatever, the button front t-shirt. Extra large. A lot of solid stuff in here, but got a turtleneck, a nice blue, like a powdered blue, and you are a size medium. Cute, cute, cute. All right. Any stains on it? No. Thought I saw something. All right. Another solid, size large. And what is that? Oh, there's a barcode. I don't know why in there. Okay, so I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I think it was just the barcode. But I don't know why they have barcodes in them. I guess when they bring them up at the store, if they have a store. I don't know. Ooh, we got a fleece. Size medium. Red fleece. Ooh, that's nice. That's my daughter. You can hear her. And we have a size 16. Some dress pants. Oh boy. Okay. Got another fleece. Is it the same one? Nope. This one is just a pullover. Size medium. The mock neck. Yeah. Just a pullover fleece. We got a pair of shorts, I think. Oh no. These are, I think they're like running shorts, I guess. Yeah, that or part of a swimsuit. And it has that material and has got the inner drawstring. Cool. And it is a size 6. Cute. I guess they're maybe running shorts. Another solid. Just a regular t-shirt. And it is a relaxed fit. Size small. I'm like an orange. Okay, what are you? We got a size medium. Like sweatpants. Possibly cropped. I don't know. They look kind of short. I'm short, so yeah, they must be cropped or no, it doesn't look like they were hemmed. They would fit me as pants. Ooh, we got a cardigan? Yeah, nice cardigan. Size small. It's like a heathered pink. Heathered pink cardigan. Cool. Very nice. What are you? Oh, we got a bathing suit. Cool. And I'm glad it's a tankini. I don't like to sell used bathing suits. I don't know. But a tankini I would sell. What size are ya? I don't know. I'm not sure. It's got the panel in there for the tummy. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's under this barcode. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta look into that one. Okay, sweatpants. Yeah. We got Lands End Serious Sweats, size large. Ooh, these are soft. Oh my goodness, the fleece inside. Ah, it is so soft. Nice. We got another turtleneck, size large. It's just a red turtleneck. It's like really thick, good quality. That's why Lands End has a following, because people know the good quality of their clothing. Size large, just I'm gonna sneeze. I'm so allergic to detergent and perfumes, and I'm surprised I haven't been sneezing the entire time I'm doing these unboxings of like the used clothes. So size large, just a black polo-y. What are you? Ooh. Like a quilted, I can't get the color. It's like almost, let me see if I get back further. I don't know if you can see that color. It is a size small. That's circle quilt. I don't know, or whatever it's called. Usually it's diamond quilted. It's not really too puffy. Nice. Did I say it? Oh yeah, size small. That is cute. It's kind of like a aqua bright green. Okay, we got a sweatshirt. Oh no, another cardigan. Lands End. It is a white cardigan, so I'm looking for the stains, because I never get any white stuff without stains. I don't know. That's cute though. It's like almost like a V-neck. I don't know, like a school cardigan. I don't know what they're called. And we got another zip up, extra large, 18 to 20. Brown. Oh, it's a long one. It's a long brown zip up jacket. Kangaroo pocket. Cute. We got a few more. Okay, we got another turtleneck, but it's like a sweater. Let's see. Small. Oh, that's cute. All right. Got pants. What are you? Size 12. With a nice bleach stain. Yeah. Alright, well that was the first obvious sign of something. Yeah, throw those over there. Oh, got like a soft corduroy. Size small pull-on pants. Cute, cute. They're like a charcoal gray. Those are cute. Got something striped. Are they pants? Oh yeah, they are. Are they pajamas? Lands End, size small. I don't know if, I guess, I'm assuming maybe they are pajamas. Super cute. Oh, is this a dress? Nope, it's a shirt. Pajama shirt? I don't know. 14 tall. No, I think it's just a button-up blouse. Brown and white design. Okay, let's see. We're almost done. Promise. Did we get 40 items? Who was counting? We got just a regular pink tank top. Size small. We got a dot on this. I don't know. Does that mean something's wrong with it? I don't know. Turtleneck. Size medium. Turtleneck. Okay, we got a fleece. Another fleece. Yay. Lands End. Size extra large. There's a quarter zip fleece. In red. Another red one. Red navy seems to be their colors. And last one. Quarter zip sweater. It is a size medium. Quarter zip sweater, or full zip. Nope, full zip. It was folded. Okay, cool. That's nice. Nice sweater. Okay. So that was my 40 items. One noticeable damage. Were they worth $1.45 a piece? I am gonna say yes. I mean, I'm sure they're not gonna sell for much in time to, list it and everything, but yeah. I mean, some of them are just like solids. They, I think this one was my favorite. Gotta look that one up. It's so like soft, but I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. Would I do it again? Probably. Maybe with a different brand. I don't know. I mean, let me see how this sells, and also when I go through it, I'll find all the flaws and everything, which I've done with my America's Thrift supply, the apparel boxes, which I do have that coming up again. So stay tuned for that. It's a lot of stuff. I'm way behind in listings, so if you see anything you like here, definitely leave a comment or send me an email, which is the same as my Poshmark closet, which is Gmail at the end. So send me an email and I will work some out with you. So yeah, check out my Poshmark closet, and I guess that's it. Subscribe.